Wait.
You mean I can create videos for free?
Yes, so no payment, just smart tools.
You Garrett.
This is insane. Why didn't I know this? Game changer. I'm starting today.
That's it. Create, post, make money.
No excuses, just create.
Hello, Christy Sub here. This is simply how to use other AI tools in creating videos for your content. AI tools apart from Grok. This is simply how to use it. So follow me in 1 minute. Let me teach you how to do that. Welcome once again to the Christy Sub, where we talk about everything on tutorial. So whatever you want us to talk about, teaching you on this channel, kindly let us know via the comment section. So recently we talked about YouTube in creating videos instead of Grok. So today let's talk about other tools we can use in creating videos in place of Grok. So here we'll be using arena.ai. This is it here. So you simply go to this website, arena.ai. If you can't access it, you can simply download the app. So once you get to Arena, this is the video I was able to make with Arena. So it's about 10 seconds. So let's play it so we hear it.
Aisha, you're stirring it all wrong. But Mama, this is how I always do it. It needs more spice. Taste it. Yes, Mama.
So this is the video I made with Arena. So you can also use Arena in creating your videos to keep up with your content creation, in case you can't access Grok and other video generators that require money. So if you are going for the free version of anything, always have that in mind. And free things always have some tags attached to it, like you have to wait till your video is created. You just need to be very patient. So using Arena, you just want to make your prompt to be very simple, like you can see here on my screen. You can see I just said Mrs. Azan criticizes Aisha's cooking, and you saw the video. She was really criticizing it. So if you want to use Arena AI in creating videos, you simply tap on this file icon to bring in your image, just like you saw here. This is my image. This is my image. So once you bring in your image, it's already in the video icon. Make sure it's in the video icon that you want to create video. After which you input your prompt here. So once you input your prompt, then you click on this icon, this send icon below your screen, to send it. So once you send it, you just have to wait for your video to be created. Don't forget, always make your prompt to be very short and simple when you're using video generators like this. So this is simply how to use the Arena AI. Two options, you can choose the one you want. So they created two for me, and I downloaded this one. So if you want to download your video on Arena, you simply click on this download icon.
If you are still watching till now, kindly comment, like, share, and subscribe to be part of this lovely family.
And when you click on the download icon, so your video will be downloaded. I already have the video in my device, so I don't need to download it again. So let's go and see how to use Qwen chat. So another video generator tool you can use in creating videos is the Qwen chat. So you simply log into your sign up with the Qwen chat. You'll be asked to download the app, or you access it via the site. So if you want to access it via the site, go to your browser, Chrome browser, or any other browser you prefer, search chat.qwen.ai. So once you search for this, you're good to go. Use Qwen in creating videos where they are asking how can I help you. When you have this plus icon, you tap on it. So when you tap on the plus icon, you see the icon to snap an image. You also see the icon for you to print an image, create a video, do research, and the likes. So, but today we want to use it in creating a video. So if you don't want to use these icons here, you can just come down and click on create video. So let's create video. We already have samples here. We already have samples of videos that you can get when you use Qwen. Just remember to change the aspect ratio of your video. If you are creating long form of video, you can leave it in 16:9. But if you want to create short form of video, always remember to change it. To change it here, when you have the aspect ratio icon, you tap on it, then you choose 9:16. So your video will be the aspect ratio 9:16. So you bring in your image, simply tap on this image icon to upload your image. To upload the video, you tap on this, snap a picture, you tap on this. Once you tap on this plus icon, you'll be asked to bring in your image. So let's bring in our image. Auto some videos. So I have the image I want to use already. I want to use this image. So it will be uploaded. Wait for it to upload. Then you describe your video. You have succeeded in uploading our image on Qwen, and this is it. So then you put in your prompt, you send it. Click on this icon to send it. So once you click on it to send it, you wait for your video to be created. You can see it's counting 3%. You wait for your video to be created. So let's wait. Now just remember that if you are using Qwen, it will only give you a 5 seconds video. So that is what Qwen does. So we are still waiting for a video to be created. So our video is ready on Qwen. This is it here. So let's play it and hear what it's saying. You tap on it, you play it.
You really believe say Jesus died come rise again? That thing no sound real, abeg.
So you can see this is what it gave me. So to download the video from Qwen, you simply tap on it and you tap on the download icon below your screen. Click on download again and it will be downloaded to your device. So this is simply how to use Qwen in creating any video of your choice. Let's go on to the next tool. So apart from using Qwen and AI in creating videos, we can also use Geminigen AI in creating our videos. Simply go to your browser, type in Geminigen.ai and you are good to go. So if you want to create video on Geminigen, you tap on this icon to bring in your image. Click on select file to bring in your image. So your image will be uploaded here. Once you bring in the image, your image will be uploaded. Then you click here to describe your video. Once you describe your video, make sure you set the aspect ratio. So mine is in 9:16. So once you describe your video, input your prompt here. After inputting your prompt, then you click on the send icon to send your video. So once you send it, you wait for your video to be created. So this is simply how to use Geminigen here in creating videos. If you are still watching to this time, don't forget to give me a nice comment, like, share and subscribe. Also click on the notification bell so be the first person to get notification from us whenever we create a video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your nice comment, like, share, follow, or subscribe for more videos like this.